Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll talk about how to use ChatGPT for content ideation and brainstorming. Whether you're a blogger, a podcaster, or a YouTuber, sometimes coming up with fresh ideas can be the hardest part of content creation. But with ChatGPT, you'll never run out of ideas again. Step 1. The struggle of content ideation. Coming up with new ideas for your content can be tough, especially if you're running low on inspiration. But brainstorming doesn't have to be stressful. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for generating ideas, whether you're writing a blog post, creating a video script, or even designing a course. Step 2. How ChatGPT can help with brainstorming ideas. Here's how ChatGPT can assist in generating fresh content ideas. 1. Topic suggestions. If you're stuck on what to write about, ask ChatGPT to suggest blog or video topics based on your niche. 2. Content angle ideas. If you have a broad idea but aren't sure how to approach it, ChatGPT can help you figure out the best angle. 3. Creative titles. Use ChatGPT to come up with attention-grabbing titles for your content. Step 3. Best practices for brainstorming with ChatGPT. To get the best brainstorming results with ChatGPT, try these tips. 1. Use specific prompts to get more refined ideas. For example, suggest 5 blog post topics on AI and education. 2. Ask ChatGPT to expand on ideas and provide examples or subheadings. 3. Keep asking follow-up questions to help refine the ideas even further. Now that you know how ChatGPT can boost your brainstorming process, it's time to start creating amazing content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite brainstorming techniques in the comments.